This one has pretty mangled up quarter panel here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
The bedside repair. Well, this bedside turned out really good actually. The metal came out really nice. All right, time to get this thing upstairs to the paint shop. So I have a Honda Odyssey here. This one has pretty mangled up quarter panel here. I actually am going to attempt to repair this one. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll actually come out decent, but I'm gonna have to make some pulls. I'm gonna pull the wheelhouse out, and then I'm gonna have to weld some tabs across this edge here to bring that out. So I'm gonna dive into this and we'll see how it comes out.